Hello everyone, my name is Romeo Semara Bunawan and today I will do my presentations about definitions of semantic and types of meaning. Okay, first, what is semantics? Semantic is an essential branch of linguistics because it has a vital role, especially in the meaning of language, words, and sentences. In general, semantics is a branch of linguistics that studies the meaning or the meaning contained in a language, code, or other type of representation. Semantic functions to process messages, organize linguistic structures, and use them appropriately. A person who studies semantics has different goals according to needs of the person studying it. Semantic is considered with the aspect of meaning. According to Leach, meaning is classified into seven types, namely conceptual meaning, connotative meaning, social meaning, affective meaning, reflected meaning, qualitative meaning, and thematic meaning. I will discuss about conceptual meaning. What is conceptual meaning? Denotative meaning and cognitive meaning are other forms for conceptual meaning. It encompasses a word's inherent dictionary definition and the basic ideas or concepts it represents. Conceptual meaning is relatively stable and consistent across different contexts. For example, the conceptual meaning of the word cat refers to small, domesticated mammal with fur, sharp claws, and a propensity of catching rodents. This meaning remains largely the same in different contexts. Connotative meaning or connotation refers to the additional, often emotional or cultural associations that a word carries beyond its explicit or denotative meaning. These associations can vary among individuals or communities and can be positive, negative, or neutral. Thus, the connotative meaning of the stated word can be any of the reference characteristics. For example, the word snake has various connotations for different people. Some might associate it with danger, fear, or deceptions because of cultural stories and stereotypes related to snakes. Others might view it more naturally or positively, considering the snake as a symbol of transformations or certain cultural contexts. Qualitative meaning. It is a type of meaning associated with the redundancy, the tendency of certain words to occur together or collocate with other words in a language. In other words, qualitative meaning relates to the specific patterns of words combinations that words tend to form, which can provide additional informations and sheets of meaning beyond the individual meanings of the words themselves. For example, the word pretty is used for pretty girl, while handsome is used for handsome boy. Affective meaning. It is related to the emotional or attitudinal associations of words and expressions. It encompasses the feelings, sentiments, or emotional nuance that words can convey. For example, Let us consider the word fire and its affective meaning. The word fire can carry various affective meaning based on context. In some contexts, it might evoke positive emotions like warmth, coziness, and comfort when associated with a fireplace in a cozy setting. However, in other contexts, it can have negative affective meanings, such as fear, destructions, and danger, when associated with a raging forest or house fire. In this example, the affective meaning of fire is influenced by people's emotional, with different situations involving fire. It can convey positive and negative emotions, demonstrating how affective meaning can vary depending on context and personality. Social meaning. The aspect of meaning pertains of to the social relationship, roles, and power structures conveyed through language. It encompasses the way language reflects societal norms, attitude, and hierarchies. For example, consider the use of language in addressing someone or higher social status, like a boss or a professor, versus someone or equal or lower social status. Social meaning in language address when addressing a professor or a boss, individuals often use formal language and titles such as Dr. Smith or Mr. Johnson. This formality reflects the social meaning of respect and recognitions of the higher state social status or expertise. Social meaning plays a crucial role in how people interact with one another, with language reflects the intricacies of society. Reflected meaning. It is the aspect of meaning that arises when a word or expression is used in a particular context, and it reflects the speaker's subjective attitudes, emotions, or beliefs. The meaning is suggested or implied by the context in which a word is used. For example, consider the word bright and how its reflected meaning can vary in different contexts, like denotative or conceptual meaning. The denotative meaning of bright refers to something that emits much light or is well illuminated. For example, the sun is bright today. Reflected meaning for context number one. In a different context, like describing someone as bright, it may reflect the speaker's opinion about their intelligence or quick thinking. For instance, "She is a bright student" suggests someone is intelligent or clever. Reflected meaning for context number two. In a conversational context about a future event or a prospect saying his future looks bright may reflect the speaker's positive outlook about optimism about that person's potentials for success. Here the word bright carries meaning related to promise or optimism. Thematic meaning. Thematic meaning in Leach frameworks concerns of how words and elements in a sentence are arranged to indicate the central themes or topic or the sentence. It focuses on how words assume roles like theme and rhyme to establish the flow and organizations of information in a sentence. For example, consider the sentences "The cat chased the mouse." In this sentence, there is a clear thematic structure. Theme "The cat" serves as the theme of sentence. The sentence central element provides the action's topic or subject. Rhyme "chase the mouse" is the theme, providing additional informations what the cat did. It completes the action initiated by the theme. This thematic structure helps to organize this information in the sentence, making it clear that the sentence is primarily about the cat and what it did, chasing the mouse. The thematic structure also indicates the directions of information flow, with the theme introducing the theme, the topic, and the rhyme, providing more details or elaborations. Thematic meaning is crucial in sentence comprehensions because it helps readers or listeners identify a sentence's main topic or focus and understand the relationship between different parts. It plays a role in the natural flow of informations and contributes to language overall coherence and clarity. Okay, I think that's all about my presentations about the definitions of the semantics and the type of meaning. Thank you very much and see you next time.